So, the MCQ questions for break even. First question says, the business that breaks even has a total revenue of 5,600,000 and fixed cost of 2 million. Therefore, the value of variable cost is, remember we said total cost is FC plus VC. You would never talk about your total revenue without talking about cost, your total cost. Because at that point in time, whenever we think about the break even, I told you the components of break even are the selling price, the cost, which is the fixed cost, and the variable cost. So all these things cut across together makes up our total revenue. So if a firm has break even, you have to think about that. Okay, the firm has break even, so that's gone. And in our graph, our total revenue is always above the total cost. Yes or no? So because the graph states that total revenue should always be above the total cost, you assume the graph has total cost with total revenue together. So that means our variable cost will be TC, which is in place of TR, minus VC. Do you get the point? The total revenue is always above the total cost.
So you can gain profit.
To gain profit. But now the firm has break even. On which value has the firm gained as the firm break even? The firm break even for this figure, 5,600,000. So to know the variable cost, it will be this figure minus this figure. Because we wouldn't talk about our total revenue and breaking even without talking about the total cost. So your total cost is assumed to be part of your total revenue. So this minus this gives you 5600 minus 2000
equal to 300.
Yeah, 3,600,000. Yeah, so the answer is D. Now go to second question. I think this one is clear, right? Yeah. Now the second question, we said a business charges Thank you. Yeah, they said a business charges, please look at the board, please. A business charges $25 per unit for its output. Fixed costs are $1 million and variable costs are per unit. How much should the business produce and sell to break even? Remember I said break even is equals to fixed cost divided by selling price minus variable cost, which is the same as contribution.
Variable cost per unit.
Yeah, per unit. So this is the formula, right? Now this time we have $25. A business 1 million. So we have 1 million already divided by the selling price. Price per unit, $25, right?
Yes.
So we have 25 minus variable cost, which is unknown, right? That's what we're looking for. The $5, right? Okay, so yeah, $5. It's $5, right?
1 million divided by 20.
So here we have
So it's 15,000.
1 million divided by 20. So this gives us 0, that's 50,000 units. Is it clear?
Yes.
Do you get it now? Because our break even is this. So we have our FC, we have our contribution. This divided by this gives us our break even. Is it clear? So the firm needs to produce 50,000 units to break even. We go to the third question. You can leave it, I will just work it here. Yeah. So the third question says, the business break even when 5,000 units are produced. So we have the break even already. Remember we said break even is this. So here we have 5,000 units produced. If the price is $20, our price is $20, multiply. We're also multiplying. So we have 5,000 VC equals to 20,000. Do you get it up to here?
Yes, we divide by 20,000.
So from here, we collect like terms. So we have minus 5,000 VC equals thousand. Do you get it up to here?
Yes.
20,000 minus 100,000 is minus 80,000. Then this. Minus has cancelled. Minus. We need VC. So you divide both sides by 5,000. So we have by 5,000 by 5,000. 5,000 has cancelled 5,000. So our VC is $16 per unit. $16. Okay, that's A. Is it clear? So this is D. Is it clear, please? And the last question says, don't worry, we can have it here. It said, an increase in fixed cost will do which of the following? If your fixed cost increases, that means your break-even chart will also shift to the right. Because at that point in time, you have to produce more output to meet up with the break-even. Do you get the point? Stop writing, please, and listen. The fourth question says, an increase in the fixed cost. If your FC increases, that means you have incurred more cost. What happens? Your break-even chart will shift rightward because you have to increase the output to be able to break even. So the answer is
C.
right. Okay, C. Are they clear now?